Yes, I'm going to do me, and this is called winging it in the kitchen. I have no idea what I'm doing. All I know is that I have to end up with a Pluto Pup or a corn dog with Fettayleh's American style skinless hot dogs. Get them from your local Coles and Woolies store. Go to their website to actually check out which stores stock them, but they're delicious. I'm gonna show you how to use them. Well, gonna experiment with you guys. Let's go. I reckon that's a good start. So I've got the concept of a Pluto Pup or a corn dog, if you like. All right, so we're going to start by mixing up the batter. Now I'm gonna do small, like mini Pluto Pups, and this is the hot dog. I'm just gonna cut it in half, and we're gonna go from there. Into my bowl, we're gonna put the dry ingredients. So we've got the polenta, then I'm going with some plain flour. A quarter of a cup roughly of sugar, so just plain white sugar. What was this, Beth? Oh yeah, baking powder. Then we're left with our egg and our milk, but I'm just gonna give that a quick whisk in the bowl. Can you see that? And then stand by while I go and see what I have available to throw some flavors in there. Back. Smoked paprika, bit of black pepper, chicken spice from Green Valley Spices. It's all going in, and we're gonna hope for the best. Now also I've got just oil for frying, so you can use canola oil, vegetable oil, rice bran oil, whatever oil you'd like, because this is a mix, dip, fry operation. Now we're ready for the wet ingredients. We've got milk, 1 egg for this, and then just whisk away until you have a nice thickish batter. Straight into a jug or a tall cup or something, because we're actually going to dip these in and we want to coat them. Okay, shake off the excess and then straight into your fryer. How's that looking? Looks pretty good, doesn't it? The kids are going to be so excited about this. Welcome back. I'm adding now chili to the batter for the adults who would like a corn dog. Okay, so while I take this last one out, I've got one of my biggest critics, Miss Mariam, who's been running in and out and is a bit of a scrub. You ready to taste test? I'll grab the sauce. There you go. You can dip that in and have a go. How does it taste?
Good.
Really good? Now, we're going to get the other troops to taste test. So